World Suicide Prevention Day. Local leaders are releasing suicide data for Sedgwick County. Brock Wilson joins us now with a look at some of those local numbers and what mental health advocates say you can do to help. Brock.
Mike, there were 92 suicides in Sedgwick County in 2024. It continues a trend of declining suicide numbers dating back several years. However, local leaders say even one suicide is too many.
I think it's really important for us to normalize the topic of mental health.
Anyone has the power to save a life by listening.
On World Suicide Prevention Day, new suicide data for Sedgwick County.
In 2024, there were 92 Sedgwick County residents who died of suicide.
Dr. Nicole Klaus with the KU School of Medicine says while there's still a lot of work that needs to be done,
we found that this is the lowest suicide rate that we've seen in the past 10 years.
A positive trend, but that still puts Sedgwick County above the statewide and national suicide rates.
We have a lot of work to do.
What can you do to help? ComCare Community Crisis Center Director Jennifer Wilson says it's important to bring awareness to how suicide impacts our community.
I think that having a day dedicated to recognizing the importance of suicide prevention allows everyone to bring attention to it.
She says the best thing we can do is listen and don't be afraid to ask questions.
It's important for people to recognize when loved ones need a little bit extra help and to ask them, help them get connected to help.
Also important,
when someone is experiencing a crisis related to mental health, that they reach out for help.
And don't take the topic of suicide lightly.
Taking people seriously when they indicate that they're in crisis.
And don't make suicide or the topic of suicide abnormal. I think that it's important to ask directly whether or not someone is experiencing thoughts of suicide, and if they say yes, getting them connected to help quickly.
So what should you do if you or someone you know is experiencing thoughts of suicide? You saw some video from the call center at the crisis center there. The National Suicide Hotline is 988. You can get connected to them if you dial that number. You can call or text to talk to the real person anytime, 24/7. You can also reach out to the Community Crisis Center in Sedgwick County in person or at this number here at the bottom of your screen. Mike?
Thanks, Brock. Sedgwick County